CBSE Class 10 2021-22 Term 1 examination videos also applicable for SSC of TS and AP.
Hi students, welcome back to your channel once again. This is Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. So now we are going to discuss Class 10 CBSE Term 1 examinations which we are going to write in the month of November and December. Okay, and basic level I am going to explain. So there will be two types of things here for the CBSE for mathematics basic and standard. So let us go through our basic, and here paper code is 241. So here two questions are given, nothing but the prime factoration of 3825 is the options are given, and here. So already you have know very well that here nothing but MCQs, 40 MCQs will be given. Next 10 marks other one will be given. So you have to face the 10 MCQs in the examination term 1 object type. Okay, so I am going to explain in this series of classes in the easiest way. So now the prime factoration of this one 3825, and options are given, this decimal representation. So here solution now. So 3825, if you observe the options, the various factors are here. You can find here 3's, 5's and indirectly directly 7's, etc. So let us go through the original process. So 3825, and here some of the digits nothing but it is divisible by 3. So 3, 1 here, next 2, next 22's, 7, and here it is 5. Next 3 is nothing but 4, 2, 5. So next coming to here 425, which is not divisible by 3. Next go for the digit, the number 5 here, 5 8's and 20, 5 8's are 40 and 25. 25 means here it is nothing but our 5, and 17 5's is 85. So 5 into 17 or 17's 5's. Since 17 is a prime number, we will stop. So nothing but therefore I can write now 3825 is nothing but 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. So nothing but 3 square into 5 square into 17. So this is the answer. Since it is MCQ, go for the better way here by seeing the options. So if you observe carefully here, 3 square into 5 square into 17 gives you C option. And these are the questions what I am explaining from sample papers. So some sample paper released by CBSE board previously 2 months back. Okay, so like this first one. Let us go through the second one here, the decimal representation of this one. Is terminating nothing but remainder 0 or non-terminating remainder not 0? Non-terminating repeating nothing but the bar form. Non-terminating non-repeating nothing but irrational number. So you had to check whether it is. So nothing but here in the case where 23 by here 2 cube into 5 square. So 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. They, by seeing the MCQ, they did not ask to determine here the decimal value, just a terminating or non-terminating case. So nothing but if you observe carefully, the denominator takes the form of here this one 2's, and here it is 5's. So here 23 by 2 cube into 5 square, and before that please check it, here there is no simplest form for 23, the numerator and the denominator. So since it is in the form of our this one, this implies P by Q is equal to X. Our X is nothing but this number. If our X is in the form of, if X is equal to P by Q, this implies Q is in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n. Then we can say that it is terminating. So here 2 cube and here it is 5 square. So m is 3 and n is 2. So therefore I can say it is terminating. So like this, without actual division we have done this one. Just remember this one, if we can write like this in the form of this one, it is nothing but our terminating decimal. So like this, first problem, second problem, and these problems are meant for basic level students. Okay, so please keep it in mind, and released by CBSE. Once you have a look of the two problems, so in this way we can crack the problems within a few seconds, not even 1 minute also. Okay, so after watching the videos, please share to your near and dear. Okay, like if you feel good, still you will get more and more updates by subscribing my channel. Those who did not done, ring the bell icon and comment. Okay, give the suggestions. Catch you in the next video session. Bye.